channel of Digital to Real. Today we are going to discuss about XS3 code. आज हम किसके बारे में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं? XS3 code. Now, it is a non-weighted code to express decimal numbers. ये एक non-weighted code है जिससे हम decimal number को represent करते हैं. It is an important binary code. ये एक बहुत important binary code है. XS3 code of a given decimal number is determined by adding 3 to each decimal digit in the given number and then replacing each digit of the newly found decimal number by its 4-bit binary equivalent. पहले क्या करते हैं? For a given decimal number, किसी given decimal number के लिए हम पहले XS3 कोड डिटरमाइन करते हैं. कैसे? हम एक गिवन डेसिमल नंबर को पहले BCD में कन्वर्ट करते हैं और उसमें 3 को ऐड करते हैं. सो वी ऐड 3 टू ईच डेसिमल डिजिट इन द गिवन नंबर. उसके बाद जो डेसिमल डिजिट ऑब्टेन होता है उसको हम 4-बिट बाइनरी इक्विवेलेंट में लिखते हैं. जैसे मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल दिखा रही हूँ. हमें XS3 कोड फाइंड करना है 24 का. वी हैव टू फाइंड द XS3 कोड ऑफ द नंबर 24 नंबर. 2 इज इन द 10th प्लेस, 4 इज इन द 1st प्लेस. अब मैं दोनों डिजिट के साथ 3 को ऐड कर रही हूँ. 2 + 3 5, 4 + 3 7. अब 5 का बाइनरी इक्विवेलेंट क्या है? 0 1 0 1. और 7 का बाइनरी इक्विवेलेंट क्या है? 0 1 1 1. So this is the binary code of 5. This is the binary code of 7. XS3 code of a number is self-complementing in nature. XS3 code एक self-complementing code है. हम देखेंगे आगे वो कैसे है. Now example showing the self-complementing nature. हम example के थ्रू देखेंगे XS3 code का self-complementing nature. ठीक है. The ones complement of an XS3 number is the XS3 code for the nines complement of the corresponding decimal number. The ones complement of a XS3 number. एक XS3 number है जिसको हमने obtain किया बाइनरी से या फिर हम कहते हैं BCD से. XS3 हमने नंबर obtain किया. अब उसका अगर मैं ones complement लूं, so that number which is obtained, जो हमें मिलेगा नंबर, is the XS3 code of the nines complement of the corresponding decimal number. समझ लीजिए आपका डेसिमल नंबर है 6. Let us assume we have the decimal number 6. Binary of 6 is 0 1 1 0. Okay, now I add 3 to it. Then I get the XS3 code of the 6, that is 1 0 0 1. Okay, and ones complement of 1 0 0 1 is 0 1 1 0. ठीक है, ये आपका ऑब्टेन्ड हो गया वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ 1 0 0 1 जो आपका XS3 कोड है 6 का. ठीक है. अब ना नाइन्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ अ डेसिमल डिजिट इज द नंबर दैट मस्ट बी एडेड टू प्रोड्यूस 9. 6 के साथ मैं क्या नंबर ऐड करूं जिससे हमें 9 मिले? सो अगर मैं 3 को ऐड करती हूँ 6 के साथ तो हमें नंबर 9 मिलेगा. So 9's complement of the decimal 6 is 3. 3 का जो डेसिमल नंबर मिला उसको बाइनरी में क्या लिखेंगे? 0 0 1 1. अब 0 0 1 1 जो मिला बाइनरी में, अब उसका मैं +3 करूंगी तो XS3 कोड मिलेगा, दैट इज 0 1 1 0 जो XS3 कोड है 3 का. ठीक है. नाउ सी XS3 कोड ऑफ डेसिमल 3 इज द ones complement of the XS3 code of decimal 6. जो 3 का XS3 कोड है वो क्या है? ones complement है XS3 कोड का 6 का. सो ये हम कहते हैं इसको self complementing code. So this property of XS3 code is called the self complementing code. Now here are some of the self complementing codes. 2421 is a self complementing code. XS3 is a self-complementing code and 84 -2 -1 is a self-complementing code. So these are the codes for the decimal digit 2421, XS3 and 84 minus 2 minus 1 are self-complementing. So here I have made 5 columns, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First one is the decimal digit 0 to 9. Then the corresponding BCD 8421. Then is 2421. Then XS3 code and 84 minus 2 minus 1 code. Now 2421, XS3 and 84 minus 2 minus 1 are the self-complementing code. Okay. So this is the table of the XS3, 2421 and 84 minus 2 minus 1 code of the decimal digit 0 to 9. Now I wanted to show you how a 2421, XS3 and 84 minus 2 minus 1 are self-complementing. All zeros. इसका अगर मैं complement लूँ, all ones. All ones. So 0 plus 9 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 is 0001. इसका complement लूँ तो 1110. They are complement of each other. 0010. इसका अगर मैं complement लूँ तो 1101. So 2 plus 7 is 9. 0011. इसका complement लूँ तो 1100. इनको अगर ऐड करूँ 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. They are complement of each other. 0100 complement of it is 1011. So they are complementing. 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay. Similarly, XS3 code you see. 0011 complement of it is 1100. You see 1100. So they are complement of each other. 0100. इसका complement क्या है 1011. So they are complement of each other. That is 1 plus 8, 9. 0101 complement of it is 1010. That is 2 plus 7 is 9. 0110 complement of it is 1001. That is 3 plus 6 is 9. 0111 and 1000 they are complement of each other. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay. So you understood the XS3 code, how they are complement of each other. Similarly, 84 minus 2 minus 1 code. 0 complement of it is all ones. 0111 complement will be 1000. Ones complement. 0110 if you complement each digit, that is ones complement 1001. Correct. So this one complement of this one complemented of the. These are all ones complement. 0. So this one complement, ones complement of this one. Now 0101, what would be the complement? Ones complement 1010 complement. And 0100, what is the ones complement? 1011. Hope you are able to understand the self-complementing nature of the XS3 code and even the other. Let us take few more example of XS3 code. Here I have shown the 27, number 27 decimal. 2 का BCD 0010 और 7 का BCD 0111. XS3 को 0010 plus 0011 and 7 का 0111 plus 0011. So आपका क्या आया? 0101, that is the 5, and this one is 10. That is A. Okay, 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, so XS3 code of 27 is 0101 1010. Now this is how we obtain from BCD to XS3 code. Now if we have to go in the backward direction from XS3 code to BCD. Now it is to be noted that the corresponding to the given XS code equivalent decimal number can be determined by first splitting the number into 4 groups, 4-bit groups, and then subtracting 0011 or subtracting the 3. So here we will show how to convert from XS3 code to the decimal number. So 011, that is 3 subtracted from each 4-bit group, and this gives us 8421 BCD equivalent of the given XS3 code. So this is how we obtain the BCD code. Now we will show with example. For example, suppose we want to know the decimal equivalent for the XS3 code is 1 000 110. So I will divide it into groups. 4. Here I will add 0. So it will be, we will make the group of 4-bit. Group 1, group 2. Now we will subtract 0011 from each group. We will obtain the new number as 0001 and 0011, and it is the decimal equivalent of the number 13. Hope I am able to make you understand the XS3 code and how it is self-complementing in nature, and how from the BCD we can obtain the XS3 code. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Please subscribe the channel. Hi, have a nice day. Bye-bye.